Alright, today, January 21st, out on the lake, and this is actually Lake Conroe that we're out on. This boat has spent the majority of its life out on Lake Conroe. Just going to give you a little bit of a view of the lake and so forth, and a little picture of the boat. Kind of go around here a little bit. You can see there's a wakeboard tower as well as new speakers and so forth. That wakeboard tower is fairly new. Back here looking at the transom. The boat's actually in motion right now. There's a nice flip down ladder, nice wide transom or swim platform, nice easy access through here. Actually some cushions that fit into those positions there. Lots of extra storage. Move some of these seat cushions out of the way. You can see the extra cushion down there. Here's your master switch. Master switch got both positions for one or dual batteries. Batteries are actually located on the port side of the boat, and I'll show you those. They're right in here. Back there, some real nice high cell, deep capacity batteries. You can see they're nicely wired in. Lots of extra storage there. And zoom out to sort of give you a little bit of positioning. And this cushion here flips up. It is where your marine cooler fits. We actually have that at the house. It's not with us today. We've got a Yeti with us. And then where we've got this bumper and the dock lines, you can see there's drink cup holders on both sides, just like that. All right, there's a nice sink area here. Underneath this cabinet, there's a trash can and a couple of cup holders. Both the helm seat as well as the passenger seat have a bolster cushion that flips up so you can sit up on there. And brand new stereo that's equipped in here. All right, this position right here on the port side is a sort of a little porta potty, I guess. Then looking for brand new carpeting, you can see here that more cushions, more storage, more bumpers, fenders, drink holders. There's new speakers, of course, all in the boat.